Located in the heart of Phang Nga town, Wat Tham Ta Pan is one of the more unusual temples in southern Thailand. Unlike the polished golden temples of Bangkok, this site is an eclectic mix of various influences, featuring statues from Hindu, Chinese, and Buddhist traditions. The most prominent feature here is a massive, colorful dragon that winds through the center of the grounds. As we walk around, you'll notice the temple feels lived in, weathered, reflecting its age and the local community's unique approach to its religious art. It's a quiet place, often overlooked by the crowds heading towards the coast, offering a more personal glimpse into the local faith. Our journey continues as we enter the dragon through its open mouth. This walkway serves as a physical transition into the mountainside of the complex. It's a narrow and dimly lit passage that leads us away from the main courtyard and toward the natural cave system at the back of the property. As we emerge from the dragon, we head directly into the cave. This natural limestone cavern stays cool even in the afternoon heat. There's very little artificial lighting here, so a torch is necessary to navigate the path. As we explore deeper, we find small shrines and offerings placed in the alcoves. It's a very still, reflective space showing the side of Thai Buddhism that focuses on forest meditation and the natural environment. It's impossible to show on the GoPro, but there's a huge cave in here. Sadly, we don't really have any strong lights, and I'm not sure how to switch on the lights in here, but this is incredible and like completely open to explore. After leaving the cave, you should spend some time walking through the Hell Garden. These statues are common in many Thai temples, intended to represent the concept of karma and the consequences of one's actions. While the depictions of various punishments are quite vivid and specific, they serve a simple educational purpose for visitors. It's an interesting contrast to the quiet beauty of the cave, shifting the focus to moral teachings and folklore. To reach the final part of the temple, we begin the ascent up the limestone cliff. A steep set of stairs at the back of the temple leads toward a white and gold pagoda perched high above. It's a steady climb, but the path is well defined. As we move higher, the views of the surrounding town and the iconic limestone casts of Phang Nga begin to open up, providing a sense of perspective on the entire temple layout. Reaching the summit, the pagoda stands out clearly against the greenery of the cliffs. Seen from above, the structure's precarious position right against the mountainside is even more impressive. It's a peaceful spot to look out over the valley, a quiet conclusion to a walk that covers a surprising amount of spiritual and physical ground in one afternoon. So this temple has been a bit of a surprise. It's in a pretty sad state, but overall, the cave, this wonderful pagoda, and like look at this incredible view. Thank you so much for joining us on this adventure. See you on the next video.